Welcome to today's video. Today, I would like to introduce you a traditional craft of our machine production, hand scraping. Scraping is generally known as flour soldering, and flour soldering is a technique that is even more difficult than wood carving. It is the starting point for precision machinery that can have basic accuracy, a card that creates a flour-like pattern on the machine. This process is an indispensable step in building precision machines. The main role of manual scraping is used to improve the oil retention and stability, while eliminating machine job stress, reduce the noise of mechanic movement of the machine tool, so that the gate plane from surface contact to point contact. The gate wheel lubrication is uniform, reduce friction and wear. This is all about our hand scraping. We hope it will impress you and add more possibilities to the manufacturing fields.